one bit.
So as soon as he turned, I was like, oh shit! Oh.
Yep. Oh man.
Pull up, just stop. He just needs to realise that no one can pull him out. Oh, you can. I'll pull him out. Yeah.
Nah, this one's pretty easy. It's only this bit here that's fucked.